Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So Ethereum is still one of the better looking charts out there. However, also here, primarily at the moment, I still have to expect one more low, which doesn't necessarily mean that we have to drop below $1,000. If you've watched my previous videos, you will know that the $1,000 level is absolutely crucial to hold, because if we lose that level, we are most likely going to see it drop below the June low of $880, and that could take us to around $650. But overall, it is still one of the better charts out there, and the price action so far has not made the 1-2 setup that we have here, and that we have here on the 4-hour chart. It hasn't made that unlikely, so I'm still of the view that this could very well be a 1-2 setup, and then we could move up in a wave 3 to around $3,000. There should be a wave 4 and a wave 5 afterwards. This pattern will get very unlikely below $1,000, okay? Because the $1,000 level is the 88.7% Fibonacci retracement level. So, and then in the very short term here, in the very short term, this to me looks like that, from the low which we made on the 9th of November, that we are currently putting in a corrective wave pattern. So let me explain. Actually, I've got some subwaves missing here. So the idea is that this was a wave 3 to the downside. We moved up in a wave A, came down in a B, and we're now moving up in a C wave of the wave 4. And a C wave is a 5-wave structure, indicated here on this chart. Wave 1 up, wave 2 down, wave 3 up, wave 4 down, wave 5 up. That's sort of how it could play out. When we get these 5 waves, we have to expect that it will come back in a 5th wave and make a lower low. But if the price holds critical support, which I can't give you at the moment, so I can't tell you where exactly that support level will be, because we don't know how high we really go. But as we have a confirmed top in place, we can measure the retracements and we can talk about what is the key support that needs to hold to make it a valid breakout pattern, because it is very much possible that we're already in this larger third wave. I don't know where it is now, that we're already in this larger third wave to the upside now, right? This is possible here. Yeah. This would become very likely if we do the 5 waves, come back, hold support, yeah, and then we have our 1-2 setup. At the moment, I have to assume, yeah, also in light of what Bitcoin is doing and so on, that what we're doing here is just an A, B, C with short-term upside potential, and then we come down, okay? But yeah, important to have an open mind here, but these are the key scenarios, and you should be able to understand now what you need to look out for to understand, are we in a breakout pattern or not. So in the very short term now, let's go in 1-hour chart. In the very short term, we have come back into this, so we have come down yesterday as expected. We broke out of this ascending wedge to the downside, bearish pattern. Remember, we talked about that. Came down, and ideally we are looking for one more low here. Ideally, yeah. Now, I would like to make one change to this wave count because it just adheres a little bit better to generally the Elliott Wave principles. What I'd like to do, I would like to move the wave 1 here, which is absolutely possible. And then I've got to move this 5-wave move out. We've got a wave A here, a wave B was the triangle, because this is an Elliott wave triangle here, and then the C wave down, which ideally needs one more leg down to the downside, as said before. But with that pattern as well now, we can very easily calculate an ideal target for the C wave. So this is the resistance area at the moment. We are in the resistance area, so ideally in this move we're not going above 1190. If we do, it would indicate that we're already in a breakout or that this move down is already finished. That would get even clearer if we move above $1,200, the wave A low. But what is the ideal target for the C wave down? We take the length of the wave A, go to the high of the B wave, and the ideal target, just go to the end of the triangle. Well, we can actually see that we have already reached here the 1.618 extension, 1163. That is sort of what you would expect. So that actually means that theoretically this move down could be finished. It doesn't look finished yet, so I'm actually still looking for one more low. And if we then look at this chart as a whole, you can see that there is key support at this descending trend line. So if we lose the current support at 1160 or 1158, we could very much come down and retest the descending trend line of this channel. So support will be around the 1120 level. And then generally, if we measure the Fips, and because I've moved the larger wave 1, I have to look at the invalidation point, but it's basically here 1108. So below 1108, or let's call it below 1100, that has been the level for the last few days anyway. Below 1100, it will get very unlikely that we are still in this breakout pattern, even if it's just within a wave 4 short-term upside. But below 1100, it will most likely not work out, and we're most likely going to make a new low and retest 1075 and maybe even $1,000. But yeah, these are the key levels to watch out for now. Yeah, what I said before as well, if we now reverse either from here or we make one more low and then go up, all possible as long as we're holding 1100. Really good indication that we are going up is this move above the wave 1 low, wave A low at $1,200, and the breakout point is here 12. You could say, well, it's between 1225 and 1230. Breaking above that level can take us fairly swiftly into the region around 1270 to 1290, and then we're looking at the 1400s. Okay. All right, that's my update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.